Hello from Coatepec, another Pueblo Magico in the state of Veracruz. Today is a beautiful weather, so let's go and explore a little bit. Coatepec is located on the coffee route in the state of Veracruz. So around this town there are a lot of coffee roasteries, a lot of coffee plantations, and in the town itself you can find a coffee place for any taste. They look fancy, very simple, whatever you want. I found the one that I think I like and wanna check it out. I'm not a big coffee drinker. I would rather drink a very good quality coffee once a week than every day go to a Starbucks. So I appreciate coffee. I don't know much about it. I want to learn more and to drink good coffee. I also noticed a couple of thrift stores here that I haven't seen before in the small towns like this one. And there are like a lot of interesting stuff and history. That's why I love to go there and explore them, because you can find something pretty cool that you're gonna learn about the culture. I really like here how the guys who clean shoes have their own stands and they don't run behind you trying to serve you and like sell their service, which is pretty annoying on the main squares in a lot of towns. But here they're more organized. They even have a protective COVID screen when you sit there during the time when they clean your shoes, which is pretty cool. If you've seen my other videos from other towns in Mexico, you would already know that in the center, in the main square, they always have a kiosco. But the first time I've seen the kiosk, because it actually has two floors, and the first floor serves as a coffee place, and the second floor is actually a real kiosk where you can get inside and look around. Across from the main square there is Palacio municipal, so I just got inside to see what's going on here. And it looks pretty nice. I like the courtyard already. As I understand, this is the Spanish colonial building, and I'm not sure why they're using here the old Greek Ionic order for columns, which looks a little bit weird to me. But anyway, the building is pretty beautiful. I wish it would be a little bit more maintained. One of the places where I like to go during visiting new towns is the regular market. Mercado, bazaar, call it whatever you want, but you're gonna see there like everyday scenes, people, what they sell, how they communicate. Love watching that, love trying to communicate myself, and maybe sometimes finding something cool for myself.
Avocado, ¿cómo es avocado? Un chile habanero. Chile habanero.
The guy gave us to try an avocado, and I really like it. Very good.
Te los regala el monkey. El monkey dog. Avocados of the monkey man. Ese es un man.
Doing good job? Yeah? I found a job here in Coatepec. Also, a market is a place where you can make new friends. Oh my god, that was so much fun. What you're always gonna find on the market is a place to pray and some very questionable butts that don't give any benefit to your health. You can buy here palm leaves, and also they have huitlacoche right on the corn. I never seen that before. Perdón, señorita, esta para tamales, ¿sí? Y esta para tamales oaxaqueños. Gracias. So this is the machine where they do the pasta out of corn, and also the leaves goes toward tamales when they dry them, and they wrap tamales inside in that corn. Market in Mexico, it's always a celebration of life. There is a Machete store across the street. This is a very useful tool here in Mexico, so I need to go and ask how much it costs, and maybe I'll buy a machete for myself. So the price here starts from 200 pesos, like 10 bucks, up to 30 United States dollars, and it's the price for machete and the leather case as well. I notice no matter what is the orientation of the street, at this time of the day you can have like the shadow and the sun side, and obviously everybody walks in the shadow. Coatepec is totally different animal than Orizaba, and I like it. It's full of life, it's full of life scenes. You can see how and what people do here every day, and I really enjoy watching that. I guess I will go from Coatepec right now to some coffee plantation. But first I get some snack for the road because I'm already hungry. I spent so much time trying to find some coffee museum. It was so hard. I went the other direction when the Google said there were some, but they were not there. Anyway, finally I'm here, and I want to show you how the coffee grows, and I want to see that for myself. Also, I found some new friends. Dog, look at you. And you. That's gonna be latte, and this one gonna be mocha. Hey, latte, latte. They don't like those names.
To share with you guys this little book that tells a little bit of what you're going to see.
All the information here behind me on the posters is in Spanish, but a very nice guy gave us the book where is the same information and everything is in English. Great. A couple of interesting facts. So a tree will give you coffee seeds, basically first flowers and then seeds after 2 years. When it's 2 years old, it gives you approximately 3,000 seeds per 1 year, and it can live up to 50 years. This museum where we are right now till 2005 was actually a coffee factory with a coffee plantation on the back that we're gonna see soon. And specifically this restored Willys was a jeep that was used here for a long time to visit coffee plantations and was like an essential transportation. This coffee farm and plantation actually has a very strategic location because on the one hand you have Veracruz where you have ports and kind of entering to the world, and on the other side, other direction, there is Mexico City where is a lot of consumption and also a lot of trade. Let's go here and see how the coffee grows. I've been on coffee plantation only once in my life. It was in Southeast Asia in Laos. On Bulawan Plateau, I believe is the name. It was a long time ago, and it's amazing to be back to the coffee plantations. The process of coffee making is simple, but still complicated enough. You start with germination, harvesting, pulping, fermentation, drying, pulling, sorting, roasting, grinding, and finally brewing. at the end, you have your cup of coffee, and then you feel great again, and your day is amazing. Easier said than done. So let's go and see all of the machinery that help people to make your cup of coffee. We need to go that way. I think this one is already dry. Yeah, coffee is ready. Oh, I'm so tired. I need a cup of coffee. Ooh, that was a long day. Running around all day under the sun in Coatepec, coming here trying to figure out what is all this coffee about. I think I deserve this cup of coffee. You know that by the books this is rated the best coffee in whole Mexico. Coffee from Coatepec. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Put the like button, that's how the algorithm works. YouTube will show this video to more people if you think it deserves that. Put the bell notification to be the first one who will see my next video. And thank you very much for your support and watching. Into the next one.